Hello everyone, I'm Dixon Sylvan and I'm here to unbox the Tenma 729390 pin style digital multimeter. This is a road test unit provided by the Element14 community for road testing. Let's now unbox it. To the back of the case we have the specifications listed. We have some basic functions like voltage, resistance and capacitance measurement along with some special functions. Let's now open the package to see the contents inside. Inside the package we have a multimeter unit, a probe and a battery. The battery is a CR20323 3-volt lithium battery which is kept inside a sealed package. Next we have the multimeter unit itself. It has a black body and an orange top. This is the positive probe continued with a display. At the back we have an option to insert battery. It has some buttons and slider at the front. And next we have the ground or negative probe, which is pretty good in quality, and we have a cap to protect it too. Now let's move on to see the operating manual, and guess what, it's inside here. It has some instructions to follow and safety precautions, and that's it. Subscribe to my channel for more content, and thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned.